guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ako Yvette in the building. So guys, I'm back on camera, and in today's video we are going to be preparing something so delicious. Like, we are going to be preparing garden eggs and banana. All right, we are going to be preparing garden eggs and plantain. Not necessarily, it's not really plantain, but banana. All right, so but before I start, I want you to first of all hit on that subscribe button down below, so that each time I upload beautiful content like this, you will be the first person to get. Okay, so guys, without wasting much of your time, let me start by introducing you to that plantain I'm talking about. We are about to prepare. So here we have our banana. I don't know if if you're a Cameroonian, I'm sure you know this. All right, so I bought this banana at OIC market. Guess how much, guys? I bought it. I bought it for 500 francs. 500 francs. Like 2 years ago, you could have this banana for, sometimes you can have like 100 or 200 for this banana. But this time around, guys, things have really changed in Cameroon. Things are so expensive in Cameroon. I bought this banana for 500 at OIC market. Like, guys, who is going to eat this banana and who is not going to eat? Imagine a visitor comes in, me preparing this, because you're seeing like this is somehow looking, but when you peel it and put it on the fire, it's going to be very small. So I bought this banana 500 francs. Things are really expensive in Boya nowadays, so I really don't know how I'm going to do it. So this is just what I got from the market, 500 francs. So like I said, I'll be preparing garden eggs and banana. All right, so here we have our garden eggs. I don't know if you know about garden eggs. Here we have our garden eggs, which I'm going to be preparing. I'm going to be showing you how to prepare it. All right, so this is the garden eggs. I bought this garden egg. This one I bought it for 500 francs, also still at OIC market Boya. All right, I bought it at OIC market Boya for 500 francs. All right, this is what we call garden eggs. All right, so we do eat garden eggs in Cameroon. All right, so I have my tomatoes here. I have, in this wrapping, we have tomatoes and we have pepper. All right, we have tomatoes and we have pepper, and then here we have onion. Here we have onion, which I'm going to slice it and then fry it with the garden egg. So you can also, so let me show you. I have my this is groundnut oil. This is vegetable oil, which I will be using. All right, I'll be using to fry these garden eggs with. All right, and then here I have, in my pot here, I have, let me use a spoon. Let me use a spoon so you can see. I have liver. So I have liver in the pot here. I have kanda, and then I have nyama. All right, what we call snails. What we call snails. This is what I have. We eat snails in Cameroon. We eat snails in Boya. We eat snails in Southwest. Most Northwesterners don't eat snails. I'm a Northwesterner. Okay, I'm a Northwesterner, but I live in the Southwest, so I eat snails. At first, guys, when my friend used to buy this snail, be like, "Oh, Yvette, can you have a taste of that?" I'll be like, "I don't want to eat. I don't want this. I don't want that." And I was just like, it's irritating me. But when the day I tasted it, guys, I was like, oh my god, I have been missing a lot. I have been missing a lot. So I started that. From then I started eating snails. I could buy like for 500, 600, 200, and I eat. Okay, because they do make it here and they sell it. You can buy it with pepper and then you eat. So that's what I have my pot here. I don't have much because I live alone, so I don't really need to prepare much food, so I should not throw them away. So I just prepare just what would be okay for me for a day or two. All right, so that's what I have here. I have my liver. I have my, you can put other things there like fish. You can put whatsoever you want to put there. Okay, so here I just have my liver, I just have my nyama, and then I just have my kanda, which I am going to be preparing. Okay, so that is it. That is what I have. So what I want to do right now is I would have to put I will have to wash the garden eggs and then put it on the gas. So here I have my garden eggs, which I will use Here I have my garden eggs. Let me throw this water. So I'm back. Now I have to wash the garden eggs, alright, and then I put it in the on the gas. So this is it. Wash it. So this is my garden eggs. Some people can even eat these garden eggs, guys. Like, some people eat it raw like that. It's okay. It's very okay. You can eat it like that. So let me keep this one. I'll be eating it raw. So what, guys, I'm so sorry that it's not really clear because there's no light. I'm just struggling, just managing using my ring light and using the sunlight, which is not really out, to make this video. So please, I beg of you, just understand with me. All right, please just understand with me. So there's no light, there's power failure, and I'm just, you know how Boya is, you know how Cameroon is. So I'm just trying to see how I can put things together. Oh my God, I hope my chest is okay. Okay, so finally I'm done washing it. So I have to put water inside and then I put it on the gas. So this is it. I put some water, putting it on the gas right now. Okay, so that is it. It's on the gas, and I'm going to be doing other things. Like, what I will be doing right now is I will have to slice the tomato, I will have to slice the onion, and then you can put garlic and ginger. It's just that I don't have it in the house now, which I don't want to waste time going to look for it and so on and so forth. So I'll just do with what I have because I just want to do something simple. It will not be that complicated. Just want to do something simple. All right, so I will just have to slice my tomato and then my onion, and then from there I just wait for the garden egg to get ready, and then you see how we go about it. So I need a rag. I want to be cleaning my legs. Okay, so right now I'm getting a knife. Where is my knife? Okay, here I have my knife. So I want to wash the tomato right now, and then I slice it into pieces so I can use it. All right, throwing the water right now. That's water. Okay, I'm back again. So right now I want to wash the tomatoes and slice it. Okay, first of all, let me also wash my hands. All right, let me wash my hands. Okay, I'm done washing my hands. So right now Right now, this is the garden egg I was eating, so I'll continue eating. So this is my tomato. I'm about to slice it. So we have our tomato here, guys. We are slicing it. Let me get your comment, guys, at the comment section. What do you think? Have you ever prepared garden eggs before, or you don't know how to prepare? I mean, this is very, I would like you to try it. I would like you to try to prepare. It is very delicious. Some people don't even know that we prepare garden eggs. Some people think we just eat it like that, but we can actually prepare it with maybe fufu corn, plantain. It's delicious, guys. So let me get your comment at the comment section. Let me know if you have ever prepared such foods before. All right. So guys, I would just like to take a break right now. So I will be after. So what I want to do now is slice the onion, slice the tomatoes, and then slice whatever that I need to slice. And then I will just, when I start preparing it, I will have to come back and show you how I'm preparing it. So we'll have to be on a break now. I'll be right back. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So guys, this is just part 1 of the video. Part 2 will be coming up soon. So if you haven't understood anything, please just take your comment at the comment section so that I will be able to explain to you. All right, guys, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to as many people as possible. Thank you very much, and guys, please do have a blessed day. Thank you.